Hello, everybody. I just wanted to show you a new use case I found for PixieBrix. I've recently started making some videos on YouTube, and I won't say I've become super popular, but I've become popular enough that I get some comments on here. And I wanted to try to find a way to automate adding comments here, or at least templated ones that I could edit. And of course, PixieBrix did that for me. So there's a couple different ways you can set it up. You can set it up via context menu, where you say PixieBrix YouTube template when you right click and then grab a piece of text and hit submit, and it'll inject it there. Or I also added a button that I could click there. And then of course you can edit whatever you want here and then hit reply. So to show you how this looks under the hood, it's actually fairly easy to set up. Just open up your inspector, head over to PixieBrix, and you can see we'll start with my button. They're set up effectively the same way at the start. One is just a button where I literally clicked on that cancel button, since that was easier to grab than the reply one. But if it's easier, you could also just start with the context menu. So add that context menu brick, call it whatever you want. And then your next action will be to make that form that gives you the options. So you'll just call it whatever you want. I'm calling that field message, and you can get rid of any description text you don't want there. Select drop down for input type, and then add all of your options here. So put in whatever you want. Just add it like that. And then, you could have save, submit, whatever you want to put there. And then the next brick you want to add is the set input value. And it's a little hard to read over here, but basically the selector you want is, trying to drag this a bit more. It's going to be content editable. If you can see that there, put that in brackets around it. And then for the value, you just have it paste whatever you put in your form. And so you'll want to change it to a variable and say @form.message because I called it message. If you called this name, you would call it @form.name. So you just want to make sure that matches there. And if you didn't change anything up here, it'll still be @form. But if you did change something, then you want to make sure it matches that. So you should be saying @whatever is there, .whatever is there. So then, yeah. And one thing I learned today while I was building this, let's say I want to make another brick using all of these different things. I can make another extension. I can copy all of these individual bricks. So for instance, I can add another context menu, just call this V2, and then I can go back to this YouTube templates, hover over here, and you see this copy button. I can hit copy, go over here, and then I can paste it right there, and it'll pull over all of the exact same stuff. So that's how I was able to make it with both the context menu and the buttons so quickly. So hope this helps. And one other thing I'll mention, I didn't add it on here, but if you wanted to, you could add a brick for simulating the DOM event that would actually, and then select the reply button. Here, I'll actually show you how to do it in case you want to. Down here to comments, so selector, and then grab that reply button, and then you can make the event here just be a click, and then what it will actually do is send that message. I'm not going to enable that because it will actually send that message, and I don't want to do that. I'd kind of rather be able to approve it and tweak it before, but if you want to be able to do that, that is an option. So hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.